Driving is all about the joy of discovering new places, but getting lost? Not so much. In today's video, I'm introducing you to the best GPS navigation systems of 2025. These aren't just tools to help you find your way. They're packed with features designed to make your journeys safer and more enjoyable. Whether you're heading out on a road trip or navigating the city, stick around to find the perfect GPS for your needs. Number 5. Garmin Drive 52. Forget ordinary navigation devices. This one isn't just about getting you from point A to point B. It's all about turning your trips into unforgettable experiences. With TripAdvisor reviews and millions of Foursquare points of interest built in, you'll always know where to find the best restaurants, hotels, and attractions. Want to see upcoming stops for food, gas, or other key points along your route without leaving the map? This device has you covered. It's super easy to use thanks to larger buttons and simple menus. With regular map updates for the UK and Ireland, you'll always stay on the right path. Real-time services like live traffic and parking info help you save time and avoid unnecessary delays. Plus, smart alerts for school zones, speed changes, and safety cameras make every drive safer. This device locks onto your location quickly, so you won't waste time waiting. And when you're at a tricky junction, the lane guidance makes navigation a breeze. It doesn't just make traveling easier, it makes it more enjoyable and secure. Whether you're planning a daily commute or a long road trip, this device will be your ultimate companion, because with the right tool, every journey gets better. Number 4. Garmin DriveSmart 55 and Traffic. Hitting the road just got a whole lot smarter with the Garmin DriveSmart 55 MT-SUK. This isn't just a map, it's your ultimate travel companion. With its crystal-clear 5.5-inch high-resolution display, you'll never miss a turn. Plus, regular map updates for the UK and Ireland ensure you're always on the right track. Stuck in traffic? Struggling to find parking? Real-time updates have got you covered. Thanks to built-in Wi-Fi, updating maps and software is quick and hassle-free. And with Bluetooth hands-free calling and smart notifications, you can stay connected without taking your hands off the wheel. Need to set your destination before hitting the road? You can do that right from your phone. Whether you're heading out on a long adventure or just a weekend getaway, the Garmin DriveSmart 55 MT-SUK makes every drive stress-free and enjoyable. Drive smarter and enjoy the journey with Garmin. Number 3. TomTom Go Supreme. 6. Traveling just got a whole lot easier and more enjoyable. The TomTom Go Supreme GPS keeps you updated with the latest world maps and software through Wi-Fi. No computer needed. With TomTom's precise traffic updates, you can avoid congestion and always find the smartest routes. Plus, speed camera alerts keep you worry-free by notifying you about fixed and mobile cameras, with regular updates at no extra cost. Even after you've parked your car, this device guides you all the way to your destination. Thanks to TomTom My Drive, you'll get reliable directions both in your car and on foot. You can also sync your smart devices with TomTom, so you can control your lights, garage door, or thermostat with ease. And if you love planning ahead, TomTom Road Trips lets you create custom routes for your next adventure. The TomTom Go Supreme GPS is the ultimate travel companion, making every trip safer, faster, and more fun. Number 2. Garmin DriveCam 76. A navigation device shouldn't just give directions, right? What if it could completely transform your driving experience? That's exactly what the DriveCam 76 promises. But seriously, no matter how high the price, are the features worth the hype? Let's find out together. At first glance, it stands out with its sleek design and powerful features. It's perfect for those who need accurate mapping and map updates on their trips. But it's not just about mapping, it also comes with an integrated full HD dashcam. While the camera's image quality is decent, considering the price, it could have been a bit better. Still, it's a really useful feature for driving safety. The best part is that the DriveCam 76 isn't just a navigation device. It integrates with your smartphone and can be mounted on your windshield. This device is ideal for long trips, as it not only gives directions but also records your journey to enhance your safety. In short, if you want to fully benefit from all these features, the DriveCam 76 is definitely worth it. While you might want to keep an eye on the price, with its performance, this device is going to be a must-have for road travelers. Number 1. Garmin DriveSmart 86. The Garmin DriveSmart 86 is a GPS device packed with features to enhance your driving experience. With Alexa integration, you can go completely hands-free, whether it's getting directions, controlling your music, or even accessing smart home devices. Plus, the live traffic and fuel updates help you save time and gas while avoiding unexpected delays. Its clear display and reliable navigation make sure you never miss a turn. That said, the features aren't exactly groundbreaking, and the high price might make you think twice, especially since modern smartphones already offer advanced map apps that do a pretty similar job. In the end, it's a solid option for those looking for a dedicated GPS experience, but it's worth considering if it really fits your needs. So what do you think? A GPS device or just your smartphone? What's your pick? Let us know in the comments. Hey, 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 hey.